Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot OPPO A6 Pro. Okay, the process is really easy. All we need to do is to launch the power menu. We do it by clicking the power button and volume up button at the same time, just like that. As you can see, the menu appears, and now all we need to do is to drag this white ball into the restart function. Now release your finger, and now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on. Everything will be done automatically. Also, I will tell you that rebooting your device regularly can boost its performance and extend its lifespan, because basically during that process our phone rests, the RAM gets freed up, so it's good to perform from time to time. And also, if you have some issues, for example, with the apps, once I had a situation when I was using this device that one of the apps didn't want to launch at all. That was the moment when I have performed a reboot and everything started working properly. So if you have some issues like that, you can try a reboot to solve that problems. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.